Hello again, welcome to another video, and today we're looking at this lovely Range Rover Autobiography. (2019) model, 3 litre, finished in the Rossello red with the black, gloss black alloys. Stunning looking colour. It's got the panoramic glass sunroof. It's got the deployable side steps. Very nice and clean inside. So the controls there for electric seats. Privacy glass. It's also got the electric seats in the rear as well, and it's got the rear climate control, electrically adjustable rear seats, and the centre armrest. It's also electrically deployable. That's it, press the button, it goes back. Parking sensors all round with the camera, and then electrically deployable tailgates. Load area cover, power sockets. You can raise and lower the vehicle from here as well. Again, the controls for the seats are there as well, and then under there is a space saver spare wheel, jack and toolkit at the back, and the all important locking wheel nut tool lives there. Never buy one without that. So press that button there and it goes back up. And again, a button there. There it goes back down. All nice tidy bodywork. Comes with Land Rover service history. Also got Land Rover warranty on it until July 22. Side steps to deploy when you open the door. Again, you've got all seat controls there, controls for electric windows, door mirrors. Lots of tech on this car. Push button stop start. Climate controls there for this. Sorry, that's the seat controls there. So if you select the climate option on the touchscreen, that's your climate controls. Comfort program selected. I think that's to do with the suspension and driving. Lots of different things. that you can change on here. On the touch screen. DAB radio, and you can bring the sat nav up on there as well. Automatic gearbox. And you've got your vehicle ride height controls and everything there as well. And SD card slots there. And you've also got a cool box there you can switch on from that button there. Armrests. We can open the roof with that button there. And I'll let some sun in. It's probably not a good idea on a day like today. Steering wheel mounted controls. 27,000 miles with the full Land Rover history. So there you go. If you're looking for a nice looking Rangey with the top spec, the autobiography spec, Euro 6 compliant, in a stunning colour, there you go. Give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.